So the main question is, why should we use AI tools in our classrooms? Is it simply because they are the latest trend, or because they really add value to teaching and learning?
Hi, I'm Hedvig from Gallery Teachers. Welcome to our channel. If you are an English teacher or considering becoming one, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our weekly TEFL teaching tips.
What do you feel when you see a list of 100 top AI tools that all teachers must use? I'm much into tech these days. I like playing around with tech tools, but it's so easy to feel lost amidst the sea of options, especially when you are juggling the busy and important tasks of planning and teaching. With so much on our plates, who has the time to try out every single tool? At the moment, there are over 2,000 AI tools available on the market. Some platforms or apps are specifically designed for language learning. Some are designed for education. Yet, by and large, they are designed to perform specific tasks, such as video editing, copywriting, music writing, image generation, chatting, and many others, for general public, with no learning in mind. So choosing the right AI tools for our teaching and learning needs can be quite a daunting task. With new tools popping up every single day, it's so easy to get overwhelmed and lose sight of what really matters. New apps and platforms most certainly add a fun element to the lesson. However, if the main focus is on engagement, it's only logical to expect improvement in engagement or enjoyability, which may or may not lead to improvement in performance. So the main question is, why should we use AI tools in our classrooms? Is it simply because they are the latest trend, or because they really add value to teaching and learning? I would say that using AI tools in language teaching is like driving a car. Just having a car doesn't automatically make you a good driver. Similarly, simply having access to AI tools does not automatically make you a better language teacher. It's only when you know where you want to go, your learners' needs and goals or learning outcomes, and how to drive, use the tools in a thoughtful and purposeful way, being aware of their capabilities and limitations, that you can reach your destination successfully. When we use AI tools in our classroom, we need to ensure that they align with our why. We need to ask ourselves, how will these tools help me achieve my teaching goals? How will they enhance our students' learning experience? By starting with our why, we can ensure that we're using these tools in a way that is meaningful and effective for our students. It's also important to remember that AI tools are just one part of our teaching toolkit. When used well, each and every tool, including technology, has its holy grail potential and might enhance learning, but it takes a teacher and consistent and principled approach to empower their use. When in the wrong hands, these tools, with no exceptions, can turn into the bad and the ugly, leading to lower performance and killing creative and critical thought. Paraphrasing the infamous Bananarama's song, it ain't what you use, it's the way that you use it, and that's what gets results. At times, to meet your needs and produce the best results, you may need a single tool or a platform, or you may need a mix of tools. Each tool has a learning curve, but if it addresses your learner needs, it will be a good investment of your time. So think big, but start small. Gradually scale up as you figure out what works and what is a waste of your time. If the why is clear, the how is easy. Think about your learner needs. Find the tools that may address them, learn how to use them, play around with them, and see if they work for you and your learners. Please let us know in the comments if you have used any AI tools, including platforms and apps, and they worked a treat for your students or failed your expectations. All experience matters. That's it from me, and I hope you'll join our webinar to explore AI, new AI tools, and ways to integrate them into your teaching practice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, let us know by giving a thumbs up and by sharing it with your fellow teachers.